back to my channel. So today we are going to do Pani Puri challenge. Yeah, so Pani is basically water which we add some spices to it, and it's sour and spicy. And Puri is basically it's made up of flour, and it's flour puff. And also we have fillings that is made up of potato, onions, salt,
and some green chili as well.
Yeah, some green chili because this is my favorite. So the challenge has 2 minutes. So within 2 minutes, let's see who eats more Pani Puris will win the challenge. And let's get started.
That's ultimate, guys.
So I will start the timer. Are you ready?
Wait.
No. I will start and then you will pick the puppy and then you will do.
Okay.
Okay? Keep it there. Okay. So you have 2 minutes and you need to pick it, and you need to make a hole in it. You need to fill it yourself, and you just put some water and have it. Okay? So your time starts now. Can you see the camera? I will count. 1. You have that ball. 2. 19 seconds. 20 seconds. 27 seconds. 3. 4. 5. Not bad.
'Green chili.
6. You got your 1 minute already. 7. 8. 9. You have 30 more seconds. You have 30 more seconds. 10. 11. You have 20 more seconds. You have 10 more seconds. 12. 13. 14. Done. Stop. So it's still in your mouth, so it won't be counted. No, we can't
It's
count.
already gone inside. How?
Okay then, let's count that. This is cheating, but let's count that. So 16. Oh no, 14.
15.
Excuse me, it's 14. So the challenge begins.
Okay, so I ate 14, right? In
Yeah.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, on your mark. Get set. Go!
Ah, no.
1. 2. 3. 4. 30 seconds already. 5. Not yet. 5. 6. 7. 7. 1 minute done. 8. Come on, go. Okay, sorry. 9. 10. You have 30 seconds. 11. 20 seconds. 12. 13. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shit. Wow. Okay. Okay, eat. So you ate 15, right? I ate 14.
Actually, when we are doing competition, the food should not be inside your mouth when we finish. But you said you are going to count it, so I'm going to count it. So I finished 15 and you finished 14. Who's the winner?
That's great.
I'm the winner.
So it was very delicious.
Delicious, yeah.
And yeah.
We love eating
And
Pani
a little
Puri.
bit spicy as well.
Yeah, it is spicy.
So you must try at home as well, guys.
Yeah, you can make it at home, and it's very easy.
It's very easy.
Yeah,
Very
it's
easy.
very easy to prepare. And what else? So winner has
That's
no
it.
any prize, but for but next time if we will do food challenge, we will definitely keep some prize for winner, because for the 2-3 food this challenge we haven't made any prize for the winner, but next time definitely we will keep some prize for the winner. And it was very nice.
Amazing.
Yeah, very yummy. Let's see.
Yeah.
And we enjoyed the Pani Puri a lot.
A lot.
Yeah, so a lot of people call it puchka, Golgappa. It has a lot of names actually.
Lots of
Pani
names,
Puri.
like in different state and different names.
Yeah, different states has different names and whatever, but everyone, I think everyone loves Pani Puri. So
Exactly.
it was very amazing to do the challenge. We hope
Yes,
you guys
you
like it, and
Exactly.
what else we can do for the challenge, you can suggest us in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, see you next time.